Hi, I'm Donna, and on our channel we show different woodworking projects with high profit margins, most made with scrap, that have sold well for us so you can make and sell them too. Today we have another one. This one's Christmas themed, and this one is 3 Christmas trees on a beautiful wood background, and I'll show you how to make this. And as always, the patterns can be found on our Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in that. So to begin, we glue down the pattern pieces, and I just use a glue stick, and then you can just peel it off when you're done. And I cut out all the pieces on a scroll saw, and then I will give them all a good sand. And when I'm sanding, I always make sure to not change the shape too much. It's quite easy with some softwood like pine. And so once we get it all sanded, we will then begin the painting process. And so I have my 3 trees and my stars. So I'm going to put the stars and the trunks to the side, and I'm going to start painting. So I've basically chosen 2 greens, a dark green and a mid green, and I'm going to use variations of that to create some continuity between the 3 trees. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We love to hear from you, and we will respond if you do leave any questions. And I would love for you to check out our website, ideas2ididit.com. If you sign up for our newsletter, we will send you a free wood art project so you can give it a try. And there's lots of great information. We go into more depth about our techniques and our methods that we use to be able to create these projects really economically that allow you to sell them for high profit. So once I get these painted, on this one I actually made a mistake. I always write the number of the pattern pieces on the back of each piece, and I didn't here because there were so few pieces. I thought I could keep it straight, but I didn't, and I painted the wrong side of 2 of the different trees, so I then had to go back and paint them again. But it did open up a bit of it was a happy accident, I guess, because then I ended up doing a slightly darker green on some of the pieces to give it some more dimension, so it worked out well in the end. All I use is acrylic paint, and I'm watering it down quite a bit here to give almost a stain effect. I want a green color, but I still want to be able to see that green through the wood, so that's what I've done. So you'll see I just water it down, put it on, and then wipe it off with a paper towel while it's still really wet, and you can still see all that beautiful green through the wood. I always see large YouTubers talking about how to make money with woodwork, and wood art is always at the top of the list, or towards the top of the list. And I couldn't agree more. It is a versatile way to show your creativity. It's so inexpensive. 9 times out of 10 my projects are made with scrap, and people truly love them. You can do any subject matter. They appeal to just about everybody. So I really hope you give it a try. So you can see here I've done the trunks with just some brown paint to create like a stain effect, and now I'm using some gold gilding wax on the star to give it a bit of sparkle. Here are the completed trees. I really hope you like this project, and Chris and I can't thank you enough for spending time with us, and we wish you and your family a Merry, Merry Christmas. Thanks so much.